Hello students, we are again here with a new skill, ICT skill, that is Information and Communication Technology Part 1. Now as we all know that computer is a very useful machine. It is very important to properly start the computer, and after finishing the work it needs to be properly shut down. Now if the power of computer is switched off abruptly and the files you were working on were not closed, the files in the operating system may get corrupted. I'll give you a simple example. Now let's imagine you need to visit a website or you want to play a song. You will need to perform number of operations and execute number of instructions by yourself to do the above mentioned work. Now it will consume too much time, maybe hours or days or months too, as you will need to figure out what actually is to be done to do it. Then only you will perform those tasks. So to go with the need of the hour, we make use of operating system. So in today's topic, we'll just see the description of operating system. Let's start with the operating system. Now what is operating system? An operating system is a software that serves as an interface between the user and the computer. Simply if you want to say, we can say कि जैसे हम इंसानों के पास दिल होता है वैसे कंप्यूटर के पास भी होता है, और इसे तकनीकी भाषा में कंप्यूटर का ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कहा जाता है. ठीक है. So different types of operating system, the one you are making use of is that is Apple, Mac operating system, Ubuntu, Linux and many more. Now next slide में we'll just see the functions of operating system. Now first function of operating system is it manages all the devices of a computer and keeps track of status of the device whether it is busy or not. ठीक है. It also checks whether the device is functioning properly or not. Then it controls software resources of the computer. जो भी आप software चला रहे हो, that is also controlled with the help of operating system. Next, it manages the computer memory and keeps track of which memory space is in use by which program and which space is free. Like for example, in your system you have drives like C drive, D drive, E drive. So operating system, it keeps track of all the memory space that is in use and the one which is free also. Then it manages structure of the files and directories on a computer system. ठीक है, कितनी बड़ी फाइल है, उसमें कितना डाटा स्टोर है, all these things are stored by operating system. It keeps track of the amount of disk space used by a specific file. हर एक फाइल जो space cover कर रही है, that record is also kept by operating system. It allows you to create, copy, move and delete files. ठीक है. Now next topic में we are just going to see the different types of operating system. Now different types of operating system में, now like in example, in class I'll give a simple example. In class 9th we have covered about disk operating system. Now disk operating system, what is this? ये operating system एक उपभोक्ता और कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के बीच माध्यम का काम करता है. ठीक है. Now disk operating system or DOS, it is an old command line based operating system which is developed by Microsoft. Now DOS operating system controls the hardware and peripheral device of the computer and also allows the application and programs to run properly. Next is Windows. Now Windows is a series of operating system developed by Microsoft. Now it includes a graphical user interface with the desktop that allow user to view files and folders in Windows. You people are making use of Windows, so you might have seen all the facilities you are having in Windows. Now Linux, what is this? Linux is one of the most popular version of Unix operating system. It is an open source. As its source code is freely available, it is free for the users. Next is mobile operating system. You people, everybody are making use of mobile. You have Android system. So what is that? That is a type of operating system. Now let's go to the next type of operating system. The next type is the interactive or graphical user interface. Now a graphical user interface is a friendly operating system in which commands can be entered by clicking, double clicking, right clicking a mouse. Windows operating system is an example of interactive operating system. आप विंडोज़ खोलते हो, ठीक है, आप डबल क्लिक करते हो, राइट क्लिक करते हो या फिर सिंगल क्लिक करते हो, you are able to open the menus and you can work according to your way. Next type is the single user or single task operating system. Now this type of operating system, it allows only one user to do a task on the computer and one thing at a time. Single user use कर रहा है and only he can do one thing at a time. Next is single user multitask operating system. Now what happens here कि this type of operating system is used on desktop computer, laptop computers में ये यूज़ होता है where a single user can operate on several programs at the same time. Like you people, आपने आपके सामने एक डेस्कटॉप सिस्टम खोला हुआ है या लैपटॉप खोला हुआ है और आप मल्टीपल वर्क कर रहे हो, ठीक है, एक सिस्टम से जब आप मल्टीपल वर्क करते हो दैट इज़ मल्टीटास्किंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, ठीक है. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन हैव विंडोज़, एप्पल, मैक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. These are the examples of single user multitasking operating system. Next is multi-user, ठीक है. Now multi-user operating system, it enables multiple users to work on the same computer at different times or simultaneously. Like for example, I'll just say if I'm having the master computer, ठीक है, and you people, 4 of you are having the computers, ठीक है, I'll assign you the work, I'll give you the access of my computer and you can just go on the files, you can just view the files, whatever files I'm working on my system, ठीक है. Next is the real-time operating system. Now real-time operating system, it is used to control machinery, scientific instruments like robots in complex animations and computer controlled automatic machines. Next type is the distributed operating system. A distributed operating system runs on a set of computers that are interconnected by a network. जो network से interconnected है, that is known as distributed operating system. Now let's go to the next topic. Next topic is Windows 7 operating system. Now Windows 7 operating system, it is an operating system developed by Microsoft and is used on personal computer. You all are having computers at home, ठीक है. जब आप कंप्यूटर खोलते हो सबसे पहले जो स्क्रीन खुलती है मॉनिटर पर, what is that screen called? That is called the desktop. So desktop is the first screen that appears on the monitor. Now next is wallpaper. Wallpaper, what is it? The default picture for the desktop background, ठीक है, जो डिफ़ॉल्ट से पिक्चर सेट हुई होती है डेस्कटॉप बैकग्राउंड के लिए, that is called the wallpaper. Now what are icons? Icons, you are just able to see small pictures on the desktop screen. What do they represent? They represent files, folders, applications. So those are called the icons. Next is the taskbar. Taskbar, you might have seen it is a long bar at the bottom of the desktop and you make use of it. Now let's go to the next topic, components of Windows 7 desktop. You are just able to see the Windows screen here. Now these are the, I have labeled the parts. This is the computer icon. आप देखते हो कि वहाँ पर माई कंप्यूटर या दिस पीसी के नाम से एक आइकन बना होता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द कंप्यूटर आइकन. Then you have the recycle bin. What do you do in the recycle bin? Recycle bin में आप सारी files जो unwanted files है, you just put all those unwanted files in the recycle bins. Now these are the small icons, small pictures that represent कि ये आपकी files बनी हुई है screen पर. So these are called the icons. Then next you can see the start button. As you all know, by clicking on the start button, you will be able to access on all the menus. Then wallpaper, we have already discussed about the wallpaper. Then taskbar, the longest bar at the bottom of the screen is a taskbar. Now let's go to the next topic, components of Windows 7 desktop. This, if you open the files, ठीक है, if you open this computer folder, you will able to see you can access all drives, files and folders on the computer. अगर आप my computer या this PC खोलते हो, you will be able to see कि you have C drive, D drive, E drive, and you will be able to access all those drives. Then here you have minimize button, maximize button and close button. ठीक है, minimize button अगर click करोगे तो screen छोटी हो जाएगी, maximize button करोगे the screen will get larger, और अगर आप दोबारा से इसे click करोगे it will just change to restore button. Then this is the close button. If you want to close any application, you will click on close button. Then C drive, D drive, these are the hard disk. ठीक है, hard disk में आपकी ये drives बनी हुई है. Then next you will get the removable disk drive. अगर आपने कोई CD डालनी है, DVD डालनी है, pen drive डालनी है, then you have to make use of removable disk drive. ठीक है. Come on the next topic. Next topic is taskbar. As we have already discussed कि taskbar is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the screen. जब आप screen खोलते हो, long horizontal bar present at the bottom, that is called the taskbar. To the left of the taskbar you have the start button, and to the right you have date and time. Now you can see the active application also. जो आपकी file खुली होगी, that active application you will be able to see on the taskbar. Suppose कर लो Word आपने खोली है, then you will be able to see the Word file. Then you have here the notification areas also. ठीक है. Then let's go to the next topic. Next topic, start button. Start button, it is located on the left of the taskbar. By clicking the start button, it opens the start menu and it provides access to the programs and features like shutdown. Shutdown हम क्यों use करते हैं? It allows the users to turn off the computer. ठीक है. Then all programs हम कब click करते हैं? When you want to get access to all the installed programs and applications. ठीक है. Search box. Why do you make use of search box? This allow the users to search a file or folder, और अगर आपने कोई executable file run करनी है, then you make use of search box. Control panel, if you want to change the setting, ठीक है, यूज़र ने अगर कोई चेंज करनी है, वेरियस सेटिंग्स चेंज करनी, प्रिंटर की सेटिंग चेंज करनी है, कोई ड्राइव की करनी है, देन यू मेक यूज़ ऑफ कंट्रोल पैनल. ठीक है. Now let's go to the next concept, that is the file concept. Now file concept, what is its use? Everything you store, like for example, I'll give you a small example. जब आपने कॉपी पे डाटा आपको टीचर्स क्वेश्चंस दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो what do? You store all the questions in your copy, you write, you make a note of all the questions. Similarly, whatever work you are doing on the computer, you can store it in the form of files. ठीक है, आप अपने कंप्यूटर में फाइल्स बना सकते हो, फोल्डर्स बना सकते हो, और इन फाइल्स के डिफरेंट नेम्स दे सकते हो. ठीक है, डायरेक्टरीज बना सकते हो, उनके सब फोल्डर्स बना सकते हो. विल जस्ट सी इन डिटेल हाउ टू डू इट. नाउ हाउ टू क्रिएट अ फोल्डर. To create the folder, you have to select the drive in which you want to create a new folder. Say local disk D. Now you will go on home tab, you will click under home tab on new folder option, or right click anywhere in the blank area of the right column. We'll just do this in manually also and see. First of all, go in local drive D. After you go in local drive D, click on न्यू फोल्डर. होम टैब में जाकर क्लिक ऑन न्यू फोल्डर. सी हियर, व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन न्यू फोल्डर, अ फोल्डर इज क्रिएटेड. यू कैन जस्ट गिव द नेम ओवर हियर SGHPS. ठीक है, आफ्टर गिविंग द नेम you can store all the files in this folder So this is how you can create a folder. Now let's go again. If you want to rename this folder, ठीक है, I have created SGHPS folder. Now if you want to rename this folder, I'll click on rename here, ठीक है, rename करके I'll just click here SGHPS new. See here, the folder with the name SGHPS new is created. So when I'll click here, local drive disk में SGHPS new folder is there, and you can just copy paste any file over here. See, right? Now how to delete a folder? To delete a folder, you can just go on the file or the folder, press the delete key, ठीक है, किसी फाइल और फोल्डर में गए, लेट्स से लोकल ड्राइव डी में गए हैं, राइट क्लिक करो, डिलीट ऑप्शन क्लिक कर दो, यू विल बी एबल टू डिलीट द फोल्डर, ठीक है. देन how to copy files and folders. Now let's say if you want to copy the folder, how will you copy, how will you make use of the copy option? First of all, select any file. Let's say I have selected the folder paper. I have just make use of the copy option, ठीक है. Copy option select करने के बाद I'll go in some other drive. Let's say D drive I have gone, ठीक है. I'll just click here paste option, ठीक है. See here, the folder papers copy is created over here. So this is how you can just copy and paste it, ठीक है. If you want to make use of keyboard shortcut to copy the folder, ठीक है. Let's say this is your file SGHPS new. I'll just copy controls. I'll make use of the keyboard shortcut Control C. ये फोल्डर पहले सेलेक्ट कर लिया, कंट्रोल सी, ठीक है. I'll go in another drive E. I'll just make use of the keyboard shortcut Control V, ठीक है. See here, the new folder SGHPS new is created over here in E drive also. So this is how you just make use of the copy and paste option. Similarly, if you want to make use of the move command, move and paste, ठीक है, you will make use of Control X and Control V. Now let's say this is a file, ठीक है, मैंने यहाँ पर यूज़ किया है cut option, ठीक है. I'll go in another drive D and I'll just paste this file over here. See here, answer key of term 2, it is created here. So this is how you make use of moving option. Moving option by keyboard shortcut, it is used by pressing Control X, and if you want to paste it somewhere else, you will make use of Control V. Is that clear? After this, we will see how to make use of how to delete the files. To delete the files, you can permanently delete the files and you can put it in the recycle bin, ठीक है. Right click the recycle bin and then you can empty the recycle bin. So this was all about for today. Till that time, stay safe, stay healthy and happy learning.